Top 10. Best Picnic Baskets, when the weather is warm and bright. The picnic basket is a very important part of the picnicking experience. Number 10. Household Essentials Woven Willow Picnic Basket, and the plaid cotton interior gives it a classy look. It is meant to carry dinner for 4 and comes with plates, glasses, flatware, bottle opener, salt, and pepper shaker. This is a great looking picnic basket, but it is not perfect. Attractive look and feel. Comes with picnic accessories. Roomy and a great value. Number 9. Dye Insulated Picnic Basket. Insulated lining and a zippered closure to keep food warm or cold. It keeps food warm for up to 2 hours. It is easy to clean and collapses into a compact package for easy storage. Made of heavy-duty polyester canvas and reinforced handles, insulated lining keeps food warm or cold. Easy to clean and store. Fun and colorful designs. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Picnic Baskets or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. Vysta Wicker Picnic Basket. Traditional style wicker basket with a cooler inside, offering a modern convenience by keeping food and beverages fresh. And it has everything needed for a picnic for 4 people, from the plates, wine glasses, knives, forks, spoons, and napkins. A complete picnic basket set. Comes with an insulated cooler bag. Attractive old-fashioned look. Number 6. VonShef 4-person wicker. Forks, knives, and spoons. It also comes with cotton napkins, 2 salt and pepper shakers, a bottle opener, and a 45 by 52 inches blanket. The main compartment holds the food and drinks, while the utensils. A complete picnic set and fantastic value. A good-looking picnic hamper. Comes with ceramic plates. Number 5. Imperial Home Insulated Basket, but it is the ultimate in portability and versatility. The backpack and shoulder straps make it perfect for long excursions. It also functions as a lunch tote and cooler for camping, beach excursions, and other outdoor activities. Convenient and versatile. Insulated lining keeps refreshments fresh. Easy to carry with shoulder and backpack straps. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Picnic Baskets or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Picnic at Ascot Insulated Family. At Ascot is the best picnic basket for you. Fully insulated with a thermal lining and zipper closure, this basket is very effective at keeping food and beverages fresh and at the right temperatures. The lining is also leak-free and easy to clean. Modern insulated picnic basket. Large capacity and multi-purpose. Foldable and collapsible. Number 3. Vintiquewise Rectangular Small, for 1 or 2. It can also serve as a Halloween costume for a little girl, as a decorative accessory and for storage. The classic looks fit in perfectly with any theme. It's sturdy and well made out of wood chip. It has 2 handles for ease and convenience of carrying. Quality and sturdy. Beautiful classic look. Inexpensive basket. Number 2. Picnic Time Country. This beloved country basket wicker picnic basket captures the essence of the classic picnic. Its quality and sturdiness are superb. It is composed of woven willow, a stationary wooden handle, and dual-entry wooden lids. The closed lids offer a flat surface for utensils. Quality and sturdy. Easy to carry and use. Classic design and colors. Number 1. Picnic Time Piccadilly Willow. The old-fashioned look featuring a willow weave and a red and white plaid lining contributes to a beautiful, romantic setting. The interior has enough room for food, drinks, fruits, and snacks. And it comes with the utensils you will need on your picnic. Attractive classic hamper. Well made and sturdy. Included utensils don't break easily. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Picnic Baskets or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.